Okay, let's go again. So, we're waiting. I don't know if might be longer. We got ChrisWBaker. I think I might have played a ChrisWBaker IM in the past. Let's try this again. Can't be any worse than the previous game, can it? It's actually accepting the Gambit. So I've got more dynamism already than the previous game. Essentially. Is this the ChrisWBaker that I've played before? In the past? Christopher Wallace Baker? Possibly. I'll go for the B4 and Bishop B2. Okay. Okay, F4's a little bit vulnerable. I wonder about F5. F5 here. Okay, he's got that C4 square. I'm being a muppet here, laying in that. There's knight D5 tactically. There's knight takes, F takes. There's king still in the centre. There's queen H5, and so there's no G6. There's knight G6, then. Come on, think. He's got that. So queen H5 here, queen D3, queen E5. That might be viable. I hope. So I'll play bishop E2 and rook D1, or rook D1. I've got to move that bishop. Okay. Not queen D6. Oh, okay. I'm on G7. Might be knight D5 if he castles. Threatening mate. Then I don't know. If he castles queenside, okay. Well, queen G7 here. I mean G5. Is that too bad? Oh, it's pinning my thing here. So no knight D5 unless it takes knight F6, king H8, queen H5. There's queen G3 here. It's kicking me out a bit. Let's down that G7. It looks a bit of fun anyway. A minute ahead on the clock. Rook D1 coming up. Let's have a look at this castles again. Knight D5, queen takes, knight F6 doesn't do anything. King H8 doesn't do anything. Maybe just rook B1 threatening knight D5, or knight A4. What about just knight A4? Yes, knight A4 protects the bishop, threatens queen and G7. So if he castles knight A4. Okay, then it's giving me queen G7 for some reason. Why can't I just play queen G7 here? I hope I can. So rook f8. I was going to castle queenside and use the G file. What a muppet! Why did I not think of that? I can move this knight to protect the bishop somewhere. Rook d1, rook a2, rook b1, rook c1. Okay, bishop c1. Hang on, bishop c1. I'm protecting that thing at the moment. Queen with the knight. So I'm going to play bishop h6 and protect the rooks again. He castles queenside. What do I do? Get 2 rooks for the queen? Alright, get another pawn here. I could stop him castling as well. On the queen side for a moment. This diagonal's a bit vulnerable though. This diagonal, which he's going for. Exchange sack or something. I've got rook c8 after. Rook takes, bishop e4. I've got rook c8. Okay. Oh, there's bishop e4. What have I just done? Knight e4. Uh-oh. Okay. Actually, the bishop's protecting that. He's trying to disrupt my bishop, I think. That sneaky suspicion. So bishop e4 is still on the cards. Ouch. Just win a pawn. Use the pin. It's rook e2, bishop d3. Can't do anything about this. Okay, so knight e4 to d6, get f7 at least. Maybe that's the more dynamic option. Okay, so there's rook f7 or knight f7. Knight f7 might be interesting. Hang on, we've got to protect g2. Oh no, bishop g3 is rook takes. Uh-oh, if he gets on that, I've had it. So g3, I think. I think I've got to take first. Knight. Okay, I'll take with the knight. I'm protecting h2. It's not totally end of the world. Him doubling on 7th. It's not ideal from the position I had earlier. Oh, he's threatening rook g1 now. I think I've got to disrupt this stuff before I get mated. There's knight e5 as a threat now. Oh, blimey. How did I get into this? Just trying to hold on to avoid getting mated. Nicely simplified. I don't know. What a mess. Is knight d6 any good? This king's going to come and visit my king. Getting mated here, aren't I? Uh-oh. I'm one move away from getting mated. I'll stop that anyway. Can I win on time, if nothing else? Horrible thing to do, but he's a good player. Bishop g3, will I get mated? I don't know. 10 seconds to finish me off. Cool out. 5, 4. He's going to win my rook with his king. Oh, it's bishop f4. Oh, that's horrible. It's just horrible. How did he do that? He's navigated into a good position dynamically. I thought it was a good position for me here. And then, disaster. Somehow. G-file, pin, E4. Horrendous. 2 rooks on the 7th. Bishop G3. Saved me for a bit. Then the other move that saved me for a bit was this knight F7. Otherwise, rook H6. Okay, it was horrible. Yeah, not too many comments or questions. Thanks very much.